All right, friends, how are you today? Aaron here, bringing you your daily horoscope for August 9th, 2019. It's Friday. Friday is Venus Day. What is Venus doing? Venus is at 15 degrees of Leo and 1 degree of the Sun. The Sun is at 16 degrees. Now, these two are going to be moving, okay, within a 1 degree radius of each other for the next 10 days, okay? So Venus and the Sun are moving together. The lover, everything we want and desire in life, things, material possessions, as well as people, others, okay? And the hero of the story, the Sun, our own self-expression, our own, our own will that we're putting forward out there. These are making a connection in Leo. The courageous, the lion, the passion, the fire, what drives us, who we are, how we identify with, the ego, right? So the lover, the hero, they're coming together. Now on the 14th of August is when they actually make the connection, when Venus starts to pass, is on the 14th, okay? The exact connection then starts to move ahead. It's a very special time, happens once every 9 months. It's very cool. Now, what's going on today? Here, let's go with the chart. Ooh. There it is. There we go. Okay, so we see the moon here. The moon connecting with Venus, connecting with Sun. All right, this is a trine, the easy flow from fire to fire. This is the fire that keeps on going, that keeps driving us, okay? This is the knowledge, the information, the faith, other people out there. This is the knowledge that's out there. So we have this with trine, okay? Easy flow. Again, everything you want, love, and desire, it's like this is coming, the information on how to get these is coming with ease on a day like today, okay? And we also see that this is still forming a trine over here to Chiron, healing of self in Aries. All right, so it's a lot of information out there that is aiding to us healing. So we had this beautiful, Lion's Gate opening up, going from the depths of this Scorpio water energy, emotional energy. What's going on? Who are we? If I don't identify with this thing or these people, who am I? Where am I going? Maybe I don't know. Mars is still ahead of the Sun. Venus is about to pass the Sun. Venus is behind it right now. All right. So we're still journeying out to the unknown until, September 1st, when the Sun meets up with Mars, and then August 14th, when the Sun meets up with Venus. Now, these are really important days that are coming up, but right now we have this beautiful fire energy, fire, motivating us, okay? That's the key here, is that we have a lot of motivation right now. Wherever we're going, whoever we are, having the faith to step outside of our comfort zone, having the faith to communicate from the depths of our, everybody's dealing with something right now. Everybody's dealing with somebody or some crisis or some situation. And it's just like we can choose to flop over, we can, kick the dog, or we teach the dog, It's that having that faith, and we can do it. And this comes with a bit of tension today as the moon is squaring Neptune, all right? Squaring Neptune. This is like, hey, are you going to be able to achieve your dreams? There are limits. There are true limits of this reality, true limits of this physical world, all right? And that's part of what this Saturn quincunx to Venus is. There are limits. There are real, but there's a beautiful positive side of this. It's just like, your dreams have limits. How do I say that your dreams have limits? When you're bringing your dreams into the third dimension, we're dealing with real world materials, real physical materials. When you're talking about, this creative fire energy and all this love and whatnot, Saturn says, well, we can make this stuff very real. We can make this very real. We got to put in some real work, And again, look, we got this quincunx here to Neptune. So instead of the sextile happening, which was these two, which was creation happening, water and earth, okay? Saturn wants to make things real. Neptune wants you to make it bigger, dream bigger, make it more. And now we have Neptune and Saturn both quincunxing Venus. Quincunxing Venus. My goodness, that's hard to say. So what is this quincunx to Venus? It is Friday. It's Venus Day, right? It's yes, we can make it real, but it's going to come with having to dig deeper, having to communicate, having to express ourselves. Okay, we have to express ourselves to get what we want. It's not going to just come in our lap. We have to, be the lighthouse, if you will. We have to be the lighthouse to let the other ships know where shore is. Okay, so this energy is asking us to be the lighthouse right now, is to not give up. That boat out there is lost. There is a storm happening, and it is our job to stay focused, to stay centered, to stay grounded, and to keep our light shining for others to see. All right? And when we do that, when we have faith, it's not like we just give up. You're like, oh, nobody's coming. Nobody cares about me and my lighthouse. I'm going to turn it off and go to bed. It's like, no. People care. Somebody's out there. Even if it's just one person out there that's lost, going through this storm, needs you, needs your light, needs you to stay up to keep shining, right? It's a great day. It's a beautiful Friday. And the fire energy kind of continues into Saturday, which is really exciting. The moon is coming up to meet up with Jupiter. And that's happening like late Friday into Saturday. Okay, so we're kind of getting a double dose of this. To me, it's always really, really positive energy when we have the moon Jupiter. It's very exciting energy. It's jovial, it's fun, it's uplifting. And there's more, so it's like when we're talking about love, and Venus, well, we get more of it. What does the moon need? Venus wants. Well, these are all making a connection together. So it's like this is a very loving weekend, a very exciting weekend. So feel that fire, feel that love. Keep your light shining bright. We'll see you tomorrow.